Hi, and thanks for logging on to the Daily DVAR Halacha. There's a brand new halacha for you, and it is for Sunday, July 3rd, fourth day of Tamuz. Today, this interesting halacha. Probably a lot of you know, and we mentioned it in a previous halacha just a day or two ago, and that halacha is that if you make a borei pri hagafen, that is a drink bracha that is so overarching and powerful that it covers for other drinks. So if, let's say, you're at a kiddush and you made bori priya gafen on wine, you would not need a bracha of shahakol on any of the other drinks that you have at that kiddush, because you've already made the overarching bracha of bori priya gafen on wine. Okay, but today's question is this. What if you made a bori priya gafen at the beginning of a kiddush, and you had a mazonos, which you should do at a kiddush, and then you go and partake of some of the ice cream that's there? Is ice cream a drink? If it's a drink, then it won't need a bracha. If it's not a drink, then it will need a bracha. So there are different opinions from the rabbis on that. Rav Shlomo Zalman Auerbach says that ice cream requires a bracha because it's not a drink. Okay, so it was not covered by the bori pri hagafen on the wine because ice cream has substance to it, and therefore it needs its own shehako. Okay, the Minchas Yitzchak says that it depends how melted the ice cream is. If the ice cream requires any kind of chewing whatsoever, then then he agrees with Rav Shlomo Zalman Auerbach that it'll need its own bracha. But if it needs no chewing and it's quite melty and it's just a thick drink, then the bori pri hagafen on the wine covered for it, and it won't need its own shehakil. The Betzel HaChochma Sefer says that if some chewing is needed for any portion of that ice cream, then that already makes the bracha be necessary. But the Betzel HaChochma, and we'll end with this, he says that a good thing to do, just to be certain that the bracha you're making on the ice cream which needs some chewing, and make sure that it's really a necessary bracha, if you remove the wine from the table, then the situation is that the wine is gone and it's not so much a continuation of that previous bracha, and then you would more for sure need the bracha on the ice cream with the chewing, and that would make it more certain that the bracha on the ice cream would be required and proper. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.